For the best experience, please turn on subtitles while watching this video to more easily follow the AI resources and prompt text shared throughout. Starting a business on Etsy is a fantastic way to turn your creativity into profit by selling handmade, vintage, or unique digital products. The rise of AI tools makes it easier than ever to research, create, market, and manage your Etsy store efficiently. This guide will help you launch your Etsy business step by step, showing how AI can be a powerful assistant at every stage. Step 1. Choose your niche and product ideas using AI. Why it matters. Selecting the right product niche is critical to success on Etsy. You want to find something you're passionate about that also has strong market demand. How AI helps. Market research. Use AI-powered trend analysis tools like Google Trends, Etsy Rank, now eRank, or Marmalade to discover trending products and keywords on Etsy. Idea generation. Tools like ChatGPT or Copy.ai can brainstorm product ideas based on your interests or target market. Competitor analysis. AI tools can scrape Etsy listings and analyze competitor pricing, descriptions, and reviews to help you find gaps in the market. Example. Ask ChatGPT, what are the top trending handmade jewelry items on Etsy in 2025? It will provide a curated list of product ideas and styles to consider. Step 2. Design or source your products with AI assistance. Why it matters. High-quality products and designs are essential to stand out. How AI helps. Graphic design. Use AI-powered design platforms like Canva, Adobe Firefly, or DALL-E to create product images, logos, and branding elements without expensive design skills. Product mockups. Generate realistic product mockups using AI tools like Placeit to showcase your items professionally. Digital products. If you want to sell printables, planners, or digital art, AI can help create unique designs quickly. Customization. AI tools can help you create personalized product options by generating name ideas, monograms, or custom messages for your customers. Example. Use DALL-E or Midjourney to create unique digital art prints you can sell as downloadable files or printed on demand. Step 3. Create optimized product listings with AI. Why it matters. A compelling listing attracts buyers and improves your Etsy search rankings. How AI helps. Title and description writing. Use AI copywriting tools, ChatGPT, Jasper.ai, to craft clear, persuasive product titles and descriptions optimized for Etsy SEO. Keyword research. AI tools can help you identify high-traffic, low-competition keywords to include in your titles and tags. SEO optimization. AI-powered Etsy SEO analyzers, eRank, Marmalade, guide you on keyword placement, tag usage, and character limits to maximize visibility. Example. Input your product info into ChatGPT. Write an SEO-friendly Etsy product description for handmade silver earrings with turquoise stones. AI will create engaging copy that highlights features and includes relevant keywords. Step 4. Price your products smartly using AI insights. Why it matters. Pricing your products correctly ensures you cover costs, attract buyers, and remain competitive. How AI helps. Cost calculation. Use AI budgeting and pricing calculators to factor in material costs, labor, Etsy fees, shipping, and profit margin. Competitive pricing. AI tools analyze competitor prices and recommend an optimal price range. Dynamic pricing. Some AI apps help adjust prices based on demand, seasonality, or stock levels. Example. Use ChatGPT to create a pricing strategy. Suggest pricing for a handmade ceramic mug with production cost of $8 and Etsy fees of 5%. Step 5. Set up your Etsy shop efficiently. Why it matters. A well-organized shop creates trust and encourages sales. How AI helps. Shop name and branding. Generate catchy shop names and brand slogans with AI tools. Shop policies. AI can help draft clear policies on shipping, returns, and payments to reduce buyer confusion. Visual branding. AI tools assist in designing your shop banner, logo, and profile picture for a consistent brand identity. Example. Ask ChatGPT. Suggest 10 unique Etsy shop names for a handmade jewelry business. Step 6. Create professional product photos using AI. Why it matters. High-quality photos boost buyer confidence and improve conversions. How AI helps. Image enhancement. Use AI photo enhancers like Let's Enhance or Rimini to improve resolution and lighting. Background removal. AI tools, remove.bg, can clean up backgrounds to make your products pop. Photo editing. AI-powered editors like Luminar AI automate retouching and color correction. Example. Take a smartphone photo of your product, then upload it to an AI tool to enhance sharpness and remove distractions. Step 7. Promote your shop and products using AI marketing tools. Why it matters. Getting traffic to your Etsy store is key to making sales. How AI helps. Social media content. Use AI to generate engaging posts, captions, hashtags, and add copy for platforms like Instagram, Pinterest, and Facebook. Email marketing. AI-driven platforms, MailChimp with AI, Klaviyo, can automate personalized email campaigns to your subscribers. Advertising. AI tools can optimize Etsy ads or social media ads to target the right customers at the best cost. SEO blog content. Create blog posts or articles using AI to drive organic traffic from search engines. Example. Use ChatGPT to write a week's worth of Instagram posts promoting your Etsy shop, complete with hashtags. Step 8. Manage customer service and orders using AI automation. Why it matters. Excellent customer service encourages repeat buyers and positive reviews. How AI helps. Chatbots. Integrate AI chatbots on your website or social media to answer FAQs and direct customers to your Etsy store. Email response automation. Use AI to draft polite, timely responses to customer inquiries or feedback. Order tracking. AI tools can sync your orders and shipping info to keep customers updated automatically. Example. Set up an AI email assistant that drafts responses to common questions like, when will my order ship? Step 9. Analyze and optimize your business using AI analytics. Why it matters. Monitoring your shop's performance helps you make data-driven improvements. How AI helps. Sales analytics. Etsy's own analytics combined with AI tools can identify top-selling products, customer demographics, and seasonal trends. Inventory management. AI-powered inventory tools forecast demand and manage stock levels. Pricing and promotion optimization. AI analyzes past promotion success to recommend future discount strategies. Example. Use an AI dashboard to see which products have the highest conversion rates and focus your marketing on them. Starting an Etsy business with AI means you're leveraging powerful technology to make smarter decisions, create beautiful products, and reach customers more effectively, all while saving time and reducing hassle. Whether you're a beginner or looking to grow, AI is your helpful partner every step of the way. That wraps up the video. Thanks for watching. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe so you won't miss future content.